If your Bose Soundbar 700 remote stops responding, begin with the basics. The most common issue is weak or dead batteries. Replace them with fresh AAA alkaline batteries and double-check the polarity alignment. Since the remote uses infrared technology, it needs a direct line of sight to the soundbar within roughly 20 to 28 feet. Make sure nothing is blocking the sensor. You can test the remote by pointing it at your smartphone camera and pressing a button. If you see a flashing light on your phone screen, the remote is transmitting. If the remote works but the soundbar doesn't respond, try power cycling the unit. Unplug the soundbar for a few minutes, then plug it back in to clear temporary glitches. If that doesn't fix it, repair the remote. The easiest method is through the Bose Music app. Make sure your soundbar and phone are on the same Wi-Fi network. Then go to Settings, Universal Remote, Advanced, and choose Pair New Remote. For manual pairing, disconnect the soundbar from the internet. Hold the volume down and left navigation buttons on the remote for 5 seconds to clear memory. Then hold the action button on the soundbar until the light bar glows steadily. Press the center button on the remote to complete pairing. If nothing works, perform a factory reset by holding the power and skip forward buttons together for 5 seconds. If problems continue, contact Bose support for hardware diagnosis.